Well, I got I got kind of sidetracked here. What is happening is, wait a minute, here we go. Oh, hold on, I'll show you. How's that? On the, yeah, let me find some clean paper. Okay. Looking down on the heat duct that goes across the bottom, the basement. Furnace is over here. The heat duct comes off the plenum and it's square and it travels all the way down the length of the house. Now as it's traveling, there's a little updraft, like looking at it sideways now, it'll travel, and when it hits one room, it'll separate and go up. So there'll be a separation here. And as it travels down further, the next one will end up going up. So you're getting that draft because this is catching the air as it goes by. Well, the one in the kitchen and the back porch comes off it this way. And then it comes up into the kitchen. And then I added onto it now and it goes off to the back porch. Well, the problem being is it's just going by. There's nothing here to catch the breeze, the air, you know, the movement. So what I had done was I put the booster fan out here and I put the temp switch over here and it's working. However, when the fan goes on, it's not real loud, but what it does is it echoes all the way back through all the other ones, so you're hearing that damn fan running through the whole house. So this isn't going to work. I mean, it's doing the job, but it's not going to work. Now I was going to put the smaller fan on it, which I have out here, but I think, you know what, instead of even doing that, I just cut a square out of this. So now, and I have plate, so I can cover right over it, so it's not a big deal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of metal I have here, I'm going to cut it to fit, and I'm going to put it right here, so a little bend on it, so it's going to look like this, so I can rivet it to the wall. Then I'm going to bend it around like this, so that it can catch the movement of the hot air going by it, and direct it into here. And I'm not going to cut off that much of it so that it can't travel through. So I think that's going to work and not use the electricity and not make all that noise throughout the whole house from the booster fan. So that's what I'm going to try. And naturally, looking at it, you know, from inside, the hole is over here. I'm going to cover it right about from top to bottom, so there's no room for escape, and I'm going to come out about 4 inches or so, maybe even 5 inches, because the duct is like maybe 16 inches. So I'm thinking that's where I'm going to go with it, and it should work. And then again, like I say, I'm not wasting money on that switch. You know, I can bring that back. I'm not wasting money on the fan. I can bring that out here and use it for other things. And we're not going to hear that fan running every time it kicks on. So that's where I'm at, guys. So now I just got to get myself a little angle here. Now it is 2 of these. This is a hell of a measurement, isn't it? Plus 1 inch. So that's right about where I have to cut it. So there's my cut line there. Now once I get that cut, I'll put a bend in it here so I can pop rivet this to the duct. I'll put a bend in it, and well, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'll be back in a minute.